Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes,
all right, so count it. You want to count it down?
No, you count it down. You're
Me?
Yeah.
How about we go
job.
3 and then you go 2 and then I go
All
1.
right.
I go live. Ready? 3,
2,
1.
All right.
Live.
Live.
Good
Yes.
morning, Linda. How are you?
Good morning, Joe. Very good. How are
Excellent.
you doing?
I'm great. I'm great. I'm anxious for
Today, what we're
today's
going to
topic.
learn.
Yes.
And you know, I'm all about keeping it simple, right?
That's right.
Keep it simple, Sarika. That's who I am. I thought, you know what? There's probably the most important nutrient on the planet, in the body, that's so simple and it's so easy to do that it's easy to forget.
Okay.
And yet, it's an important part of every single cell of our bodies. Over 85% of your brain, over 80% of your heart and your lungs, and all over your body. This is the key nutrient. It transports minerals and vitamins across cell membranes. Any guesses what it might be?
I would have to say water.
Very good! Yes!
All right.
Water, something so simple. And that's the problem because it's way too easy. Yet, if you're dehydrated, if you don't have enough water, you will have difficulty focusing. You will be tired. You'll have muscle cramps. And then the usual dehydration, feeling thirsty, not peeing a lot and stuff like that. So, water is very important. How do you know if you're dehydrated?
That was going to be my question, yeah.
Those symptoms, number 1. Number 2, a very simple way I was taught in nursing school was you take the back of the hand and you pinch the skin on the hand and then you let it go.
Okay.
And you look to see how fast does it come back. Beautiful.
So I'm hydrated?
Yes. All right.
All right.
And it's amazing. You'll be surprised that there are times where you'll do it and it'll like
it
blends a
will
little bit
stay.
slower. Yep.
Okay.
Do it in somebody older and it's really obvious. How much water do you need during the day? Very
A lot.
simple formula.
Okay.
You take your body weight and you divide it by 2. And that will tell you how many ounces per day you should have of water. If you're 150 pounds, that would be 75 ounces of water. Sounds like a lot? Here it is. It's up to here.
That's
Okay.
That's good. Okay.
You're looking at about maybe 4 bottles of water. It's such an important part of your body and all of your cells and to keep things moving.
Yeah.
And it's something simple that you could do that could make a huge difference in your life. What I do is I mark a bottle and I know this has to be done by the end of the day. So I'll fill up my water bottles from here and stuff. What kind of water? It doesn't matter. You know, different waters have different properties. Spring water will be higher in minerals. Reverse osmosis water is really, really clean and good for you. So I like to just mix it up. So different waters have different properties. Also, peeing a lot. If you drink really cold water, then what happens is the water doesn't get used by the body well, and it goes straight through.
Room temperature water is better than cold water?
Correct. Yes.
Question now. So, I know the answer, right? Like coffee doesn't count. Having a Coke doesn't count. Iced tea. I love unsweetened iced tea. It's all water.
Yeah,
Does
but
that
the
count?
tea is caffeinated.
Okay,
and
cut this.
caffeine.
Cut.
Well,
Cut. This is not the answer I wanted to hear.
no, it's just like, you know, when we were talking about the egg, and you
Yeah.
said, okay, well, just like they put eggs in the Long John at Dunkin' Donuts, all right? Not
I
the
wasn't
same.
serious on that one.
No.
Even an unsweetened iced tea, huh?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Because there's things in the water that will alter what the water does when it comes inside.
Well, I don't like that. I like my cold water.
Makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
Hydrate before you caffeinate.
I mean, I'm just thinking for myself, it's a discipline because the only time I really want water is when I'm thirsty.
Right. Yeah, and that's already too late.
Okay.
When your body's telling you you're thirsty, that's already like you're beyond thirst. You shouldn't be feeling thirsty.
Dang it, another thing I got to add to my daily routine. Well, thank you, Linda. Appreciate it. Till next
You're
week.
welcome, Joe.
We will see you then. Bye,
Have a great
everybody.
week. Bye.
Hello, Victoria here, the editor-in-chief for Healthy Nuts. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video, and we'll see you next time.